to our video presentation of our DeltaV Emerson controlled temperature and level process. Here we have a hot and cold tank that gets fed into a reactor tank. They're supplied by the lab's hot and cold water supplies. At the top of our process, we have Endress+Hauser ultrasonic level transmitters. They transmit the percentage level of each of the 3 tanks. At the front, we have Burkert control valves that are supplied by 24 volts on Profibus DP and analog 4 to 20 milliamps. Each tank also has its own Endress+Hauser temperature transmitter. The operator control and HMI of the system, fully accessible with the remote desktop and keyboard. Down at the bottom, for the reactor tank, we also have an Endress+Hauser temperature transmitter, as well as a pump to pump the water away and a solenoid to manually drain the water in the tank. On the back end of the unit, we have 2 solenoids running from 120 volts that fill the hot and cold tanks, as well as 120 volts to 12 volts DC converter to run the pump. Here for the electronic components, we have 4 relays. Each relay runs a separate solenoid as well as the DC pump. Here is DC 24 volts to run each of the Burkert valves, as well as 12 volts to run the individual solenoid at the bottom. The 12 volt pump is also hooked up to a pulse width modulator that operators can manually control how fast the pump pumps water. At the heart of the unit, we have our DeltaV S-Series Controller, equipped with an analog input HART 420 milliamp Profibus DP card and a Foundation Fieldbus card. Our HART card takes input from the ultrasonic level transmitters as well as each temperature transmitter. Here we have the CIOC redundant electronic charm marshalling, where we have 4 individual slot cards, 1 for analog output and 3 for digital output. The analog output controls one of our Burkert valves, and the 3 digital output control each one of the electric relay. Here we have the mixed temperature is set at a set point of 36 degrees. The temperature of the hot tank is at 44.6, the temperature of the cold is at 18.8. The valves are manually opening and closing using a PID loop within the DeltaV to get this temperature at 36 degrees. Each tank, the hot and cold tanks, maintain a level of 80%. You can hear the solenoid clicking on and off. When they reach 80, the solenoid shut off, it drains, repeat. You can hear the pump on right now because it's trying to get this percentage down to 20. It will stop at 20 and activate at 80. We can control the speed of the pump using this pulse width modulator.